This is the Genesis G90. Parking Collision Avoidance Assist is available on the G90. If equipped, Parking Collision Avoidance Assist is designed to warn or assist the driver with braking. Parking Collision Avoidance Assist is turned on by default and will be in ready status when the trunk and doors are closed, the gear is shifted to reverse, and the vehicle's speed is below 6 miles per hour for pedestrian detection, or below 2 miles per hour for object detection. You can turn this system on or off by pressing and holding the parking safety button for over 2 seconds. You can also adjust the function by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, and then selecting or deselecting Rear Safety. This will then turn on or off the system that warns the driver and assists with braking when a rear collision with a pedestrian or object is imminent. You can also adjust the sensitivity by adjusting the warning timing. To do so, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Timing. From here, you can choose between standard timing and late timing. This system is set to standard from the factory. To adjust the warning volume associated with this feature, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Volume. Here you can adjust the warning volume to high, medium, or low. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.